So now I've opened up the LA-960 software, and it recognizes that the dry cell holder is in place. So it asked me if I wanted to open in dry mode. So I said yes. So here we are. I'm going to measure the same alumina sample. And similar to wet measurement, our first step would be to load our conditions. So I click load, and I select my alumina condition file. And this will fill in your sample name and refractive index. So I click OK. The next step is to add our sample to the feeder chute. So let's say about 2 scoops. Just to the back of the feeder. And now I'll go ahead and close the cover just to help reduce some noise. And all that's left is to click auto measure. So this will start vibrating the feeder. It'll turn on the air, it'll turn on the vacuum, prepare for the measurement. It'll blink, it'll handle basically everything regarding the measurement. So you should be able to see the sample flowing down the feeder chute now, and we'll start to see it on this transmittance bar. And there we go. We're within the range. We've dropped down from 100%. And the measurement's finishing up right around now. And there we go. That's our average transmittance. So now it's just processing the data. And as you can see, the dry measurement is very fast. We measured the sample within 30 seconds, essentially. We had about 5 seconds of feeding time. So this is our results right here, our latest result. We can see that our median size was 22 for the median in microns, 13 for the D10, 33 for the D90. Similar to wet, we have the result data in the top left and our condition settings in the top right. One nice thing with the dry and the wet modes is you can pull up the data for wet mode, even in dry mode. So if I go to the database, I've done 2 runs so far, the first one being wet, so I'll go ahead and load that. And we can compare the overlay here. And you can see that they overlap quite well. Our median is 22 for the dry measurement and 22.8 for the wet, so very similar, and very similar shape as well. Demo for the instrument. I hope this was helpful and informational in terms of seeing this kind of correlation, as well as seeing the imaging unit.
HORIBA.